Hey, what's up guys? Today's problem is Excel sheet column number on Leetcode. Alright guys, so here we go. Given a column number as it appears in an Excel sheet, return its corresponding column number, or column title, and give its corresponding column title or number. So you can see here A is mapped to 1, B is mapped to 2, C is mapped to 3, so on and so forth down to Z. And then AA goes to 26 and 28. And you can see here, this is a numbering system for each column number in the Excel sheet. So if we look at the possible values in each digit here, there's 26 possible values for each digit. And this also kind of corresponds to our decimal numbering system. So if we look at 1, 2, and 3, and we kind of break this down, this has a base of 10. So there's 10 values, 10 possible values in each digit of this numbering system. So we can see that the way we arrive to this value here is 1 times 10 raised to the second power plus 2 times 10 raised to the first power plus 1 times 10 raised to the 0th power. And we can see here that these are the base of the numbering system, which in this case is 10 for decimal. And then we have 2, which is the position here starting from the right of the number, so 0, then 1, then 2. And then we have the value of the actual digit here. And if we just calculate this out, it'll come out to 123. So the same applies here. We'll take a value, say for this Excel sheet, it'll be ACD, and we want to follow this kind of decoding here to find the value. So we can say that it'll be A times 26 in our case, for base 26 here, and it'll be 2 plus C, the value for C, times, here is going to be 26 raised to the first power plus 1, or plus D, times 10 raised to the 0th. And calculate it out, that's 758. So you can see that it's very similar to other numbering systems. It could be base 16 for hexadecimal, really anything. But this is kind of the structure that we need to follow to decode each of the numbers. So we'll go ahead and code this out. So if we'll say that if it's null, the string is null, or if s.length is equal to 0, then we will return 0 here, and it should be s.length like that. Also, we'll get our base, which will be 26 as a constant. We'll have our answer here, which will start at 0. And do we need anything else? We'll also grab n, which will be s.length. And we'll go through from 0 to n. And here we'll say that answer is going to be plus equal. And we just want to calculate this out, where it's the s.character at I minus a, which will give us a value from 0 to 25, and we actually want a value from 1 to 26, so we'll add 1 to this, and this will give us the value for these values here, A, C, D, or whatever the value that we're at. And we'll take this and we'll times it by math.pow, which will be the power 26 raised to the n minus 1 minus I. So this is taking the last value and minusing the offset, which is I in this case. And the reason why we're doing this is we're taking, to calculate this 2, 1, and 0 here, since we're going from the beginning, and I in this case will be 0, 1, 2, we just want to take n minus 1, which is 3, or n, it will be n, which is 3 minus 1, 2, minus the offset in this case will be 0. And then here it will be 3 minus 1, 2, minus 1, and that'll give us 1. And we just followed that throughout the whole calculation. Then we return answer here. And there you go, accepted. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know if you want more stuff like this, and I'll see you in the next one.